Here's something quietly important happening in the world of work, and it doesn't arrive with fireworks or slogans. It arrives with folders. Anthropic has introduced Anthropic's Claude Cowork, a new mode inside the Claude desktop app on macOS, and the shift it represents is subtle but profound. This is not chat. This is not asking an AI a clever question and copy-pasting the answer. Cowork feels more like handing a pile of messy, overdue tasks to a junior colleague who doesn't complain, doesn't get tired, and actually enjoys cleaning up the chaos you've been avoiding. The idea is simple. You give Cowork access to specific folders on your machine, you describe the outcome you want, and then you step back. Instead of responding with advice, it plans. Instead of generating text in isolation, it reads your files, connects context across documents, edits, creates, reorganizes, and keeps going until the job is done. It's file-centric, not prompt-centric, and that distinction matters. Think about the kinds of work most of us postpone. A downloads folder that looks like digital entropy, expense receipts scattered across PDFs and screenshots, notes for a report spread across half a dozen documents created weeks apart. Cowork is designed to live inside that mess, maintain long-term context, and execute multi-step workflows without needing constant supervision. Anthropic themselves describe it as Claude code for the rest of your work, and that framing is accurate. The same agentic behavior developers use in IDEs is now pointed at everyday office life. In practice, Cowork runs asynchronously. You delegate, it drafts a plan, executes it, and shows you progress. Recent refinements make it feel more trustworthy with clearer file previews, better integrations, and explicit confirmations before destructive actions. It's powerful, but deliberately scoped to the folders you authorize. That power comes with real risk. Autonomous file access means prompt injection, and data exfiltration are no longer theoretical concerns. Anthropic acknowledges this openly, hardening the environment while advising users to work with least privilege access and sandbox directories. This is not blind automation. It's delegated responsibility. Pricing reflects the intent. Cowork is now available even on the Pro tier, but heavy use quickly consumes context and tokens. It's not meant to replace quick chat. It's meant to replace hours of low-leverage work. The real story here isn't a feature launch. It's a shift in posture. We're moving from talking to AI to assigning work, from asking to trusting, from tools that answer to tools that act. If this is the direction, then the future office doesn't look louder or faster. It looks quieter, cleaner, and finally caught up.